In this question, we're given a table of data related to renting a bicycle. So you got all this explanation about where the data comes from. You can read that if you want, but what's really important is what's in the table here because they ask us which type of function models the price for renting one bicycle as a function of time. So if I check out the answers here, first of all, I have a choice between increasing or decreasing, and then I have a choice between linear and exponential. Okay, so the first thing, let's identify what our independent and dependent variables are, or our x and y. So time is always on the x-axis. I guess I shouldn't say always, but the majority of the time it's on the x-axis. So this is our x values. These are our independent values. And the price, that's our dependent values. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your x values change at a constant rate. So this is going up by 1 each time, so that's good. Now you want to look at your price. Now we have a choice between linear and exponential. If this is exponential, then what you would see is this is being multiplied by the same factor each time. So for instance, to get from 2 to 4, that would be times 2, but from 4 to 6 is not times 2. So this is not exponential. Now for linear, what you're going to see is that it's an added or a subtracted difference. And so from 2 to 4, that's plus 2. And from 4 to 6, that's plus 2. So that tells me that this is linear. All right. So now the only question is it increasing or decreasing? And that's just as simple as looking at, are the values going up or are they going down? So as time goes up, the price also goes up. So that's increasing. So the answer to this is increasing linear. So keep it up. You're doing great. You will master the math.